So if you're having one of those days that calls for an afternoon treat, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to share with you 3 different whipped beverages that I've been enjoying in the afternoons for a little extra pick-me-up. One of them has caffeine and 2 of them don't, and they are just perfect for adults and kids alike. As always, you can find all of these recipes on the blog over at proportionalplate.com. We're going to start with a Matcha Whip. It was inspired by the Dalgona coffee trend, and it's a sweet, creamy, and comforting treat. You start with 1 egg white or 2 tablespoons of aquafaba, and you whip them until the egg white is frothy and mostly stiff. You can use a whisk, a hand mixer, or a handheld frother. A whisk might take a little bit longer to get the egg white frothy, but if you don't have the other equipment, it works great. The handheld mixer is the fastest. Then you add in a tablespoon of sugar and continue to whip until stiff peaks form and it sticks to your whisk. Next, sift in 1 teaspoon of culinary grade matcha powder. You don't need the ceremonial grade stuff for this. Whisk it in until it's thoroughly incorporated. Then take a glass, fill it with ice cubes, pour in your favorite plant-based milk, and top with the wonderful whipped matcha. Next up, move over chocolate milk because we have a chocolate milk whip. Think chocolate shake meets chocolate milk meets chocolate whipped cream. It's pretty awesome and caffeine free. So you start the same way as we did with the Matcha Whip by whipping an egg white or 2 tablespoons of aquafaba, which is chickpea liquid, in a bowl and whip until frothy and mostly stiff. Add in the tablespoon of sugar and continue to whip until stiff peaks form and it sticks. Sift in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I use the unsweetened kind. And thoroughly whisk it until it's fully incorporated. Same as that matcha whip, fill a glass with ice and top it with your favorite non-dairy milk. Top with that chocolate whip, sip, savor, and enjoy. Finally, we're going to make a whipped orange creamsicle. It's a delightful combination of sweet citrus flavor and childhood memories. Again, start with 1 egg white or 2 tablespoons of aquafaba. Whip it until it's frothy and mostly stiff. Add a tablespoon of sugar and whip until stiff peaks form and it sticks to your whisk. Drop in a teaspoon of orange extract or flavor and whip until it's incorporated. Now fill your glass with ice, add 1/2 cup of plant-based milk and 1/4 cup of orange juice. Mix it up and top with the orange scented whip. It's so fragrant, so citrusy, so wonderful. I cannot wait for you to try this one. And if you're ever looking for other recipe inspiration, whether it's fun beverages, sweets, or weeknight meals that are easy with minimal ingredients, check them out over on the blog. You can head over and peruse what we have going on over there. We're always creating new recipes, so head over and check it out.